Real estate investors, are you guys tired of seeing wholesale deals that are just way overpriced? I hear you, but I'm going to show you exactly how we still snag amazing deals from wholesalers and how you guys can too. Guys, my name's Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016. I've flipped over 400 homes, so I've done this a time or two. And I built a single family portfolio to 19 million. The cash flows over 30 grand a month. I do most of my deals in North Georgia, at this point, and a little bit in Alabama. And on this channel, I am documenting my way to $50,000 in net cash flow. And I have a simple, repeatable process. And I'm here to show you how we do it. This is still a relationship business. I'm going to show you how to build those relationships that will get you guys deep deals from wholesalers so you can do the same. And I'm going to have you doing that within 1 week of watching this video. So many wholesalers are either daisy chaining and locking up terrible properties, then hoping someone will bite. And meanwhile, you as the investor get loaded with texts, emails, phone calls about just buying awful deals. And so here's what we do about it. And so first, realize that all wholesalers are not created equal. And likely you're going to need to sift through about 20 wholesalers to literally just find one good. And don't know how to find 20? No worries. I got you. So head over to InvestorLift. Do this right now, guys. Like, you can pause the video, head over to InvestorLift, sign up for a free account. You guys can be on there for free, no monthly subscription, no nothing. So go there. I am in no way affiliated with those guys, but this works. We still use this strategy to buy houses. So search for what you got the free account. Search for listed deals in your area where you want to buy, right? I talk about Kansas City all the time. I have some homes there, but I don't currently buy there. But Kansas City is a great market. So search Kansas City. Then you're going to have 50 homes available for wholesaling, right? That you guys can buy from wholesaler. Real deals, people doing real homes, real motivated sellers are already under contract. All you have to do is buy. Now, call those wholesalers. Introduce yourself. Say, hey, I buy homes at 70% ARV minus repairs. Do you have any deals that fit that? If they do, great. Work those deals. If not, move on. Do this with 20 wholesalers per day. And by the end of the week, you'll have about 5 solid connections of people who are buying deeply discounted deals, and probably at least one deal under contract. P.S. Here's a little secret. Ask if they have an escrow program for you guys. In my apprenticeship, I share the nationwide wholesalers on who we buy from. Escrow programs and our specific wholesalers that we bought from for over 5 years will change your life. There are many other ways to scale, but this is the one tactic I still use to buy homes easily to this day. So easy peasy. Guys, I hope this makes you a ton of money. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This is how it tells more people about what we do. If you want any of the things that we have, I try to put them here in the show notes. And guys, if you have any questions about what we do, leave me a comment. I try to respond to everybody. And if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.